Good evening, this is Amy McCullough with the National Weather Service in San Angelo with an update to the weather briefing this Christmas Friday evening. I'm going to update you on the storm system that will be approaching the area. We'll start out with the forecast for tomorrow. We will see warm temperatures in the early part of the day tomorrow with highs maybe reaching into the 70s. Now we are going to see a strong cold front that will be moving through tomorrow afternoon and evening, and with the warm temperatures the air will be quite unstable with plenty of moisture in the area as well. So we are looking for showers and thunderstorms to develop along the front beginning probably about noon and continuing on through the evening as the front moves across the area. Now we could see a few strong to severe storms during the afternoon and evening hours with large hail and even some damaging winds as the main threats. We also could see some isolated heavy rainfall areas. Now after the front moves through, we will see very windy conditions across the area and temperatures will begin to fall. As the temperatures fall through the night, Saturday night, we will see rain transition over to snow beginning in New Mexico and the Panhandle Saturday night, and the colder air will continue to move southeastward into west central Texas on Sunday, bringing a chance of snow to our area as well. Now here's the big picture of all the winter storm watches and warnings and also some flood warnings and watches that are out right now as of this evening. The area in red across the Panhandle into New Mexico is a blizzard warning. So we are expecting blizzard conditions beginning Saturday night across the Panhandle into New Mexico, with heavy snow and strong winds making driving very dangerous with very low visibilities. Now we expect the rain to transition to snow across this area from west of Abilene to San Angelo during the middle of the day on Sunday. Now closer to home here, we do have a winter storm warning that is already in effect for the western areas of west central Texas from Haskell to Abilene to Runnels County and eastward or westward towards Mertzen. So we are looking for winter storm conditions developing Sunday and continuing into Sunday night with at least 4 to 6 inches of snow. We will see some pretty strong winds and blowing snow as well, so driving conditions will be pretty bad as we continue through the day on Sunday. Now right now we have a winter storm watch that is in effect further south and east of this area, from east of Abilene to San Angelo to Ozona. We will see rain changing over to snow a little bit later in these areas, but we could still see at least 2 to 4 inches of snow possible, and possibly even higher depending on the track and the timing of this storm system. Now even further to the southeast from Brownwood to Brady to Junction and Sonora areas, we are looking for the temperatures not to be quite as cold, so rain will not probably transition over to snow until Sunday night. So we are expecting less accumulation for these areas. So we do not have a winter storm watch or warning out for these areas. But again, right now we do have a winter storm warning already in effect for the western parts of west central Texas from Haskell to Abilene to Mertzen areas, and a winter storm watch just to the east of that from Coleman to San Angelo to Ozona. Now what sort of snow totals are we talking about? Well, that's going to depend a lot on the track of this upper level storm system as it moves across. It's still a couple days out, but here is our best guess for possible snow totals at this time. Now again, this could change quite a bit through the next day or two, so something to definitely keep an eye on. But the lighter blue colors here from San Angelo to Brownwood eastward, that's about 2 to 4 inches of snow possible. Now as you head further north and west, this darker blue into yellow that heads from Sterling City up through Abilene, that is about 4 to 8 inches of snow possible. And then it quickly gets higher as we head further north and west from there. So areas from Sweetwater up into Childress area could see 8 to 12, or even as you head even further northwest into the Panhandle, some areas could see 12 to 18, or this area into western New Mexico, eastern New Mexico, 18 to even 24 inches in the higher elevations. But at least for this area, we're looking at snow totals across the central and east to be 2 to 4 inches or less. But as you head further north and west, snow totals quickly increase, with Abilene looking at maybe 6 to 8 inches, and Sweetwater in the 8 to 12 to 12 to 18 inch range. So definitely something to be very wary of as we head towards Sunday. Now again, these snow totals are based on our current thinking for the track of this storm system. If it heads a little further south, then the higher storm totals will also be further south across the San Angelo area. And if it heads further to the north, then we could see a little less snow for the area, especially up toward Abilene. So something to definitely watch out for as we get closer. So again, these are just initial snow totals, but these are subject to change for the next day or two. So just a reminder, we do have a winter storm warning out for Abilene, Haskell, and Sterling City areas, with a watch out from Ozona to San Angelo and northeastward from there. But the big picture is we do have blizzard warnings out for the Panhandle in eastern New Mexico, and also some flood watches and warnings further east toward Fort Worth and Little Rock areas. So if you are traveling this weekend, keep a very close eye on the weather, and we will continue to update as the storm system gets closer.